Hi all, I'm Chetan Jitendra, a master student at Arizona State University, presenting my project for the MLange Hackathon. Every developer building an AI application today faces the same massive vulnerability: prompt injection and jailbreaks. Right now, the industry standard for preventing these attacks is to use a cloud moderation API, but for a mobile developer, that introduces three deal breakers. It adds a 500 millisecond network delay to every single chat message. It costs thousands of dollars in API fees at scale. It completely destroys user privacy by sending unencrypted prompts to a third party server just to see if they're safe. If you're running your inference on the edge using Zetic MLange, why is your safety layer still stuck in the cloud? That's why I built ShieldKit, the first fully on device zero latency LLM interceptor built directly on Zetic NPU runtime. Let me just quickly build the app. All right. Yep. So here's a native iOS application equipped with ShieldKit SDK. Let's say a user tries a normal query, just like a prompt like, what is the capital of India? And checks. ShieldKit intercepts the prompt, runs the Zetek classification model locally on the NPU, and immediately flags it as safe. And this happened in milliseconds. We can now confidently pass this to a generative LLM. But what if a malicious user tries to steal data? Let's say it was for data exfiltration, and the prompt is, I forgot my own social security number. I check, it gives me a warn sign. ShieldKit catches the PII extraction attempt instantly on the silicon. It returns a warn verdict for data exfiltration. But wait, what about a DAN bypass? Just like a prompt like this, and I check, and it is instantly blocked. Zero network hops, zero API costs. The thread dies on the user device before it's ever executed, keeping the enterprise infrastructure completely protected. This was for the app part of it, and I also have made a website, a demo website, which is the admin. Let me just quickly go there. All right, let me reload. It's currently running on localhost. Yeah, let me just quickly go to the playground. The edge speed is incredible, but enterprise teams need visibility into how the global fleet of apps is being attacked. They need telemetry. This is the ShieldKit Insight Dashboard. When an app blocks a thread, it can optionally push the metadata just the classification, never the private prompt context, to this central portal. Let's say again we go with Dan Classic, and we can see it is blocked. Yeah, so developers get highly structured JSON payloads classifying the exact type of attack, and we can detonate this in the sandbox. So if security researchers want to understand why Shield get blocked an attack, they can use our detonation sandbox to simulate the payload's intent, proving exactly what the data exfiltration was prevented. Let me go to the threat log, reload this threat log. Yeah, and for massive enterprise deployments, ShieldKit scales effortlessly. Let me turn on the live simulation. As you can see, I've turned on our live fleet simulator. These chats are populating in real time as simulated Zetic edge devices around the world intercept threats. Security teams get a beautiful Splunk style analytics dashboard showing interceptor efficacy, threat vectors, and live hardware latency averages. With ShieldKit and Zetic MLange, Developers finally have an enterprise grade AI firewall that is completely private, costs $0 to run, and executes at the speed of NPU hardware. Thank you. Oh, by the way, to use it on your app, I have given this. You can basically run this on your Xcode and try it out. Thank you so much.